Hello, and welcome to this unboxing video. Today, we'll be unboxing this convenient handheld vacuum that can be used anywhere, including your car, desk, and pretty much anywhere one could need a vacuum cleaner. Inside the box, you have the actual vacuum cleaner that's cylindrical in shape, along with its accessories. This brand of vacuums come in many different colors and configurations. This particular one that I have right here is the 16000 PA suction in the color black. It has a one-touch canister emptying design. It has 4 long-lasting built-in and rechargeable batteries. It has a high-speed brushless motor. It has a very easy-to-hold and lightweight aluminum case. The whole vacuum weighs only 1.32 pounds. And perhaps most importantly, it has triple, washable, and reusable HEPA filter which filters 99.99% of dust. Well folks, that's it for this video. If you are enjoying my content, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, and see you in the next one.